everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be swatching for you the La Mariposa eyeshadow palette created by Juvia's Place in collaboration with Yami Angelina. Now, I don't know if this palette is still available on the Juvia's Place website or if it was a collaboration that was there for one moment and then sold out when it was sold out. But either way, I'm swatching this palette for you today. This is what the palette looks like on the outside. Beautiful glossy cover. It is the same size as their mini palette collection, and it just has that on the back there. Nice gold embossed writing on the side, and then on the inside, these are what the shades are. You have 3 matte shades, 2 shimmer shades, and 1 pressed glitter right there. The inside of it is absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of a Barbie doll eyeshadow palette. If Barbies did come out with an eyeshadow palette, then I feel like this is what it would look like. But anyway, let's get to swatching these shades, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like it if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get into swatching these shades. And there we have it, guys. The swatches from the La Mariposa eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. The only one that I had a bit of trouble building up was the bright neon yellow shade there. Everything else swatched beautifully and came up really super pigmented. If you do find this palette available, grab it if you want it. It's very cute, it's very pretty, it's very sweet, and of course, support Black-owned brands. Yes, Juvia's Place, always bringing in the goods. So, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like it if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!